Alright, so should have started the video here a second ago, but this foil hose was attached to the end of this duct and it was not attached to the roof. You can see the rigid duct is short. You can always also see, which is pretty common, the hole in the decking is oversized. This is the underside of the neck of the gooseneck, so you don't want the pipe going right here, otherwise the air is going to be partially obstructed when the duct goes through. So we're going to put the duct right here, which you could see the opening. It's going to be in line with the opening. But in order to resolve this gap, some people are worried about critters going into, slipping between. So if the pipe's going to be here, that means there's enough space right here and over here for a critter to go between the duct and the decking and then get in the attic. So I'm going to show you the material on what we're going to use, and then at the very end you're going to see it's going to be nicely insulated and sealed right here. Alright, so like I was saying, oftentimes, sometimes the decking of the wood on the roof is cut too big that it needs to be. And sometimes our customers are concerned about, rodents getting in there. Not in the duct, but sliding between the gap and the duct, which I'll show you hopefully here in a second. So what we do is, this insulation peel and stick is going to basically cover that entire hole, and it's going to help seal off the duct going through it. So a couple things to note. First of all, I got the elbow on, but you can see it still barely goes through the decking, which means I'm going to have to add a little bit more duct work if I want to really make sure I do the job the best way possible. Also, you can see the gap, right? So a critter could crawl between the gap. Now again, when we use this material, this is just basically, first of all, it doesn't apply in every situation, only where the decking is too big. And second of all, it's not our SOP, it's not our standard. We give people the option that if they want this on there, it would be a little bit extra money. But this is going to self-adhese to the roof, and then we're going to use a staple gun to stick it better. I'm about to add some more duct work to this. All right, so here's the finished product. I taped the seam, strapped it, boom, good to go. Stapled all the way around.